What's up, Copy Squad? It looks like the video froze earlier, and we're going to resume breaking down this sales letter, this copywriting sales letter, keyword stuff, stuff like that. Where I left off last, I hate this delay on this thing, it's annoying. Where I left off last is we were covering bonus number 4. So we had only like 5 more minutes, maybe 10 more minutes of content left to go through. What a great time for my computer to freeze up. Anyway. I was explaining when it froze that when you do each of these bonuses, you have to still sell. Like, you can't just introduce the bonus and then start telling what's in the bonus, what's in the bonus. Everything has to be sold to the reader. And I wrote this note over here. You must sell each bonus. You got to treat them like mini sales letters, okay? So you can't just write it up and then say, like, okay, here's the bonus, here's what's in it. You need to kind of sell them on that bonus every time. And the next star down there, you must sell the service once it is introduced. Once you introduce the service, you got to make it clear to them why they should be interested in the service. So they've framed the service as bonus number 4, which is kind of unique, kind of neat way to do it. And here they're going to sell us on the service. So we've been kind of looking in through that now. Okay, with all the information out there, it's hard to know what to believe. When it comes to your money, you want to be sure. Palm Beach letter comes in each month. We'll send you the very best way to make money. Okay, so it's the best. We cut through the chaff, give you the wheat. Things change fast. That's why Palm Beach letter is your perfect guide. 87,000 people seek our help each month, so that's safety, right? That's some credibility. I believe we're doing the best job in the country at helping people retire today. I went over the imagery hack in the last video here, where we created a numerator and a denominator instead of talking about percentages. So let's kind of do like a different color. Let's do like blue. And we're not talking about 84%. And also that's be like that. Yeah, let's do this. Not 84%. Okay. It's instead 27 out of 32 because the numerator and denominator is more powerful. Okay. All right. And these aren't puny gains either. Consider 12 of these gains are double-digit winners, 4 are triple-digit, and 2 are current recommendations. Our current recommendations are up by a staggering 1,700 and 3,200 respectively. If you'd put just $200 in each of our current recommendations, you'd be sitting on $22,041 right now. You'd have more than tripled your money. Where else can you get those types of returns? But please don't take my word for it. That's why you can claim your free copy of the 501k plan, how to fully fund your own worry-free retirement starting at any age. You'll be able to sample the Palm Beach letter for yourself over the next 30 days. Okay, so that's how they sell you on the letter. When you claim this book, you get this cool trial of this cool service that can help you make money. Okay, now I'll let you know that I've written an entire book on how to structure things like this in the offer, where it doesn't sound like you're just telling them the information and it gets boring whenever you start trying to pitch your offer. I can instead help you imbue the big 4 emotions in your offer section so that it still stays very enticing, exciting, and new. New, easy, safe, and big. You can go to kylethewriter.com/book. Check out my book, Take Their Money. I totally go over like everything you need to put into an offer section so that you can write some awesome copy. Results may vary. This copywriter is very good, but it will help you get on the right path to writing better copy. This copywriter is really talented. And then over here you got Palm Beach letters, subscribers speak out, okay? So this is in the book, Take Their Money. I explain like you need to have testimonials. I explain what is a good testimonial. I explain how to gather the best testimonials. And one of the things that's important is your deep dive research, which I also offer on kylethewriter.com/book as an upsell to the book, is my 5-video series on how to do it's 6 videos, but it's 5 research course modules. And testimonials are crucial because you basically want to paint the picture that the reader can see themselves in the testimonial. That's what's really important. And you can ask specific questions to get you there whenever you're asking for testimonials. So this says, I have learned more about investing from your newsletter than any others I've subscribed to in the last 30 years. My net worth has increased by 157% to almost $500,000 and haven't lost a cent anywhere. So right there, I've learned a lot and I've gained more wealth. Unlike any financial newsletter I've ever read. So it's it's unlike anything else. It's new, it's unique, right? It's like I'm being let in on the real money-making secrets. So bang, bang, exclusivity, access to secret knowledge. I love and value your service. You are not out chasing fly-by-night stocks. Safety, okay? These, yeah, I should probably be marking this up. Okay, this is safe. New, okay? And this is big, okay? Making money. I've learned more about investing than I have from many others in the last 30 years only, okay? Because you can only get this information through them. So that's new and only, big, new, safe. This subscription is amazing. Thank you so much for the special bonus. It's unbelievable the information you people supply. Okay, you can only get that through us. My personal gross income has grown approximately 68% per year. It's big. The sheer financial education you get from PBL is worth 100 times the subscription price. I have just recommended PBL to several friends. Thank you for showing me a way to invest without having to have boatloads of money. There it is. Easy anybody. I hesitated for a while. Now I truly believe I have found a team of mentors and friends, and suddenly I am not so worried, safe, about the future. I have already felt a weight lift from my shoulders. Okay, so there. See, it's in everything. Get your free book here. You see, we only have a limited number of books available, and our current stock of books is dwindling down fast. I can't guarantee the next time you see this page, there will be enough free books remaining. So now we're laying on the scarcity. You're going to see scarcity and urgency really pick up. And in a book promo, it's really easy and organic to do scarcity because you can be like, basically do what these guys do. We only have a limited number of print products that we can offer. So scarcity is very organic there. Remember, over 100,000 people have already paid over $49 to discover these secrets revealed inside this book, and you're getting it for free. These are going fast. To secure your copy before they run out. I mean, again, this is all scarcity and urgency. Simply click on the link below right away. Alright. Again, here's everything you get. So this is called a recap. And generally you find this in every offer section. And you put this in the offer section for the people who are scrolling, just like flipping through everything and they just want to see it all in one spot. A free copy of this, a free copy of that, free access to this, a free bonus report, and a free 30-day subscription to the Palm Beach Letter. What they've done is they tally up all the values. I explain how to do all this stuff in my book, Take Their Money, all combined for this much. This is a price anchor. Last chance. All right. Well, combined value of $139.95, but if you act today, you're getting it all for free. That's all for now. Before I go, one last thing. Please don't put this off. Even if you're leaving tomorrow on a 3-week trip to Europe, get your copy now. You have nothing to lose and only a better, more secure, and richer retirement to gain. Secure your copy today, right now. Okay, so here in this final words, you're going to just see urgency and scarcity laid on thick. I might even do it in pink because it's always the same in every offer section. Why can't I spell? Urgency, scarcity. Secure your copy right now. Get it now. Remember, many of the ideas that make up the 501k are totally hidden from the mainstream. Okay, this is only. Government actually restricts the advertising for some of these investments. Why you need this book. Ted Benna has already helped millions of Americans literally save trillions of dollars over his lifetime, and now he's revealing an even better way to retire. One that doesn't enrich Wall Street and can be used by everyone. Okay, so let's zoom in a little bit in case you can't see this. Just click on the link below. In less than 2 minutes, you'll secure your free copy of the hardbound 501k book and all your free bonuses. Okay, so this is some imagery. Call us a fan shot. Good for imagery. So you can imagine, kind of picture having this stuff. Alright, there's the sign off. P.S. We've only printed 5,000 copies of the 501k plan, how to fully fund your own worry-free retirement starting at any age, to give away for free. Get your copy today before they're all gone. Alright, that does it. And then another fam shot, and then the button. Lots of buttons in this one. Lots of chances to buy. Let's see here. All right, cool. So that wraps up this letter. That means I can put it in my swipe file for all my readers, for subscribers like you. You can check out. Let's scroll up. Just kind of see all these things that I mark up here, and it gets a little less marked up some places than others because we start to see things repeating itself. But you get the notes here. You can kind of see what goes into creating these sales letters and all the things that are planted. The different colors mean different things, and it's all kind of outlined at the top. But you get access to my entire swipe file full of promos like these with them marked up, where you can see all the cool stuff and the notes. You can go to kylethewriter.com/swipe and get hold of that. Also, if you want to learn how to see all the green, that's the big 4 emotions. Every time you see green, it's a big 4 emotions. You go to kylethewriter.com/book and get my book, Take Their Money, which explains how to imbue the big 4 emotions into your sales copy. And this is useful for selling anything. So you can take the lessons in copywriting, which is writing out your sales pitch, and just use your mouth instead, and you can sell anything with your mouth. You don't have to, it doesn't have to purely go into copywriting. One of my favorite testimonials that I've gotten is a guy convinced his girlfriend that they should start going to the gym together. He said he's been trying for months, and then he instead tried to use New, Easy, Safe, and Big to convince her that it would actually just be it's easier than she thinks. Just going to be steady, consistent effort every day. And then he showed her like people who had like dramatic changes just from having small, consistent efforts over time. So he demonstrated it's really easy. Just go once a day for like an hour, no big deal, not a big investment. Anybody can do it. And then he's like, well, look at this massive change. You know, this guy went from this to that. And so he used New, Easy, Safe, and Big, got him and his girlfriend in the gym. And he said he's been trying for months to get her to go. So that's really awesome. Good for them, man. I mean, I've got hairstylists can sell more products with it. I got Mary Kay sales reps who are selling more makeup and stuff, and selling more, I forget what it's called, like ambassador or something like that. They get people to sign up and sell more Mary Kay with them. Stuff like that. They're using New, Easy, Safe, and Big. It works for everybody and anybody, man. It's really important stuff. Copywriting is just the written form of it. So you can use it no matter what you're selling. Again, if you want to get this stuff, this PDF, go to kylethewriter.com/swipe, swipe like swipe file, and then you get access to all this stuff, my entire swipe file. All right, kylethewriter.com/book will be my book, Take Their Money, and that's all I've got for this one. I'm really excited to be done with this one now. I can start moving on to, I think this would be a good start for creating my own sales page for my book, which right now it's just like something I just threw up in like an hour, and it's not like a fully researched sales letter like this, not like one of those classic 30-pagers. I'll spend a little more time to get something like that put together. All right, Copy Squad. Thank you so much for tuning in, sticking with me through this whole sales letter. I appreciate all your questions and your feedback. That's it for this one. Peace out. Copy.